Many things in life seem to be romantic and magical. Right now, the flowers are blossoming in the jasmine plant out there. Such nice fragrance, looks magical, romantic. But there is a science and technology as to how to make it happen. Yes or no? One who knows what the plant needs and does the right thing, only he will have maximum flower and maximum fragrance, isn't it? Yes? So if you want flowers in your garden, what do? Flower, 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 flower meditation. No. No flower meditation needed. You don't even have to think of a flower. You have to think of soil, you have to think of manure, you have to think of water, you have to think of sunlight, no flowers. If you handle these things right, flowers will happen. Flower is a consequence, fragrance is a consequence, it is not something that you do. Similarly, meditation is not something that you do. If you handle the body, the mind, the emotion and the energy properly, you become meditative.